Okay, now that I'd like to show you how to combine the magneto handle and the infrared handle, and also show you how to use the holding on correctly. And first of all, let's show how to combine these two handles. This is the silicon case. Okay. And remember, this is the treatment side. The logo side do not have the energy, so this white side is the treatment side. Yes, use the silicon case and the treatment side of the infrared handle is also this side. They have the same treatment side, so this is the right combination. And now I'd like to show you how to use the holding arm. And first of all, this is the central rock. This is the central rock. If we want to move the holding arm, we must loosen the central rock firstly. Loosen them, and the holding arm can be moved. Let's see, this is a notch here. The direction of the notch. The direction of the notch is the direction of the movement. Let's see. If its direction is here, it cannot move forward. So if we want to move this direction, move forward this direction, we need to turn the notch like this. Yes. And after we precision, place it in the appropriate position, we can fix this, secure this holding on. Secure this holding on. I fix the central rock, and after I fix it, the holding arm is precision weld. And remember, if we have fixed the central rock, we cannot move the holding arm. Remember, not move the holding arm. If we want to move it again, we need to loosen it again. Put it back.